breakfast ideas that are under 10 minutes, rich in protein and fiber, and a smart way to use leftovers or random fridge ingredients, these two grab-and-go breakfast salad bowls are so good for the season. First up is my Breakfast Burrito Salad Bowl, and this is perfect when you have taco leftovers in the fridge and want something hearty, crunchy, and grab and go for the morning. It's loaded with protein, fiber, and flavor, and honestly feels like it's the easiest way to turn leftovers into a breakfast that actually feels exciting. I added lettuce, corn, sun-dried tomatoes, avocado, black beans, jalapeno, and leftover veggie chorizo or veggie crumbles to a container. Then I drizzled on avocado lime branch, squeezed in half a lime, closed the lid and shook it all together. I had some mixed seed crackers on the side for dipping, and it was crunchy, flavorful, refreshing, and so easy to take with me. This bowl is about 25 grams of protein and gives you 60% of your daily fiber, so it's hearty, balanced, and perfect for busy mornings. The second one is my spicy mango chickpea breakfast bowl. I made this because I wanted something refreshing, colorful, and filling, but still super easy to throw together on a busy morning. It's sweet, spicy, fresh, packed with fiber, and such a good way to use leftover chickpeas or beans. I added lettuce, then some leftover chickpeas, cucumber, tomatoes, mango. Save this if you want more easy, high-protein breakfast ideas. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. A little jalapeno for some heat. This is entirely optional. And cilantro for garnish. Season it with some freshly cracked salt and pepper. Then I drizzled in some olive oil, hot honey and Cholula, closed the lid and gave it a really good shake. It comes together in under 10 minutes and tastes so fresh and satisfying. Finally, topped it with some shredded cheddar. You can also totally use a plant-based protein cheddar too. This bowl has about 22 grams of protein and almost 86% of your daily fiber, so it's fresh, flavorful, and surprisingly filling. These are the kinds of breakfast bowls I'm making on repeat right now. Quick, delicious, protein-packed, fiber-rich, and perfect for using what you already have at home. Tell me which one you're trying first, and follow for more easy breakfast ideas. See you in the next one.